Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today we are here with a part 2 of the Design by Humans account setup. We'll be uploading our first product and then wrapping up anything else that we need to open our store. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to be notified every time that I release a new video. We're going to go ahead and get into it and go back to where we left off, and that's adding our very first product. All right, so we're going to click the add your first product, and it says add product to my store or submit a fan shop. I have not done anything for a fan shop, but if you have read the information of how the fan shop works, you could feel free to submit to that. I'm just going to add a regular product to my store. Okay. Again, this is my first time using this platform. It says to start adding products, please select one of the products tags to the left. You can use one image for all products types or use different images for apparel, phone cases, and art prints. I'm going to hit the plus button and I'm going to choose my file. I'm going to use one of my designs that I use for my business. I thought my shop that I really like. All right, so it is uploading and processing. What it says now is it says add colors or select all colors, and then it does like placement. So I want this design to be up a little bit further. It says you can preview it here, top, bottom. So let's hit preview without the stuff around it. Looks like good placement. You can fill. Looks, it shows you on a model or kind of the fit of what it looks like. Shows you on a long sleeve shirt, also on a woman's tee, scoop neck, a few other shirts as well. Junior's baseball tee, sweatshirt, and like just so much different styles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the colors. I know I like this on a black tee, definitely on a white tee, maybe just a regular red. And I love royal. I'll just add those colors. And then you got the color and placement. I think now I can add like the sticker. You've made changes, continue and cancel, continue and keep changes. Let's hit continue and keep changes. So it's bringing up a little arrow here. Maybe I don't want that. Maybe because I didn't choose anything for those products, or maybe those colors. Something happened there. I'm going to hit continue and see what happens. But every time something, you know, pops up with that color, I'm just turning it off or enabling it. I said I added 16 products, and then so this is what it looks like. I can only add products in that section, and I have to go through it one at a time. And if I'm done adding products for that design, then I can start adding details. I want to check out the stickers. It says use existing image, which is, I love this. So I'm going to use this image for the sticker. Here's the sticker. Looks really good. And you can, you know, see the preview or whatever, how that works. And then I'm going to hit continue. The check mark is over where I can hide or sell it. And let's look at the mugs. Okay, we're going to use this existing design. I'm going to use that image. You can hide or sell what you see there. You can add colors. I want to make this smaller. I'm going to go ahead and make that just a tad bit smaller. I do not like the color mugs at all, so I'm not going to, you know, mess with that. But the placement looks great to me. I'm going to hit continue. Oh, it wants me to add a color. White. Yeah, I don't like how they do. I'm just going to do white. And I'm going to hit continue. I think that's all of the products that I want to add for this, because I don't want this to be overwhelming. I think you guys get the idea that I've gone through 3 different sections and I've added products, add colors using the same image. Now I'm going to hit I'm done adding products and start adding detail. The title of this is Let Your Success Make the Noise. I'm going to take off the woman's t-shirt part. I'm just going to put coins and connections, Women's History Month, like that. Tags said, do not tag yourself, your name, your username, or variations of either. Do not tag product types or things like that. Just put Women's History Month. Not gonna do a lot just because it's so simple. Maybe peace sign, women love, self-love. Just putting in some stuff. And then it says you can add categories. This would probably be like people. Like, nope, not even celebrities. So let's see. Art styles, collage, abstract, painting patterns, surreal, street art, tattoo. I'm just going to put typographic, and then you'll hit I accept the legal actions. I'm not a robot. And then we're going to go ahead and save this product. Now I need at least, your product needs at least one category. Oh, I have to hit add. Okay. I did not hit add. That was messing up. Now I hit save the products. After you put your categories in, make sure you hit save or add. Now this product is available here. I'm assuming that, okay, royalties. I'm going to go there, my store, went to my store settings, making sure everything is good there. Check off all those boxes there. Royalties. So t-shirts, $6, and it's set prices there. What else? Social media accounts. So far, that's all I have. I'm confused at why my store is not open yet. I'm gonna hit store door dashboard. Okay, so let's see. Edit, stats, share. Let's go see. There's my shirt, and let's go look at my store again, but it just says coming soon. I want to log out or go into a incognito window and see if that's the same thing that is showing, or will my design show. It still says coming soon. I don't know how long it takes for your actual design to pop up, but it does show that this design is ready, and it goes by like t-shirts, sweatshirts, tanks, stickers, and things like that. I'm definitely going to order a sticker, and I'm definitely going to order a shirt. I may go back in and do a mouse pad with a different design and order that so I can review those things for you guys. But I want to order a shirt that has a lot of color, because this seems like a website that is popular for really bright and vibrant things, and I want to make sure we get something that has a lot of color to it. We can accurately give you guys a review on Design by Humans. I hope this video was helpful. So far, it seems pretty easy. Again, I don't know if I have to click something else to actually open my store, but yeah, it looks to be very, very simple. Okay, I don't know. So far, that's it. Like I said, maybe it's just a little time for my store to not say coming soon. Oh, there we go. See, it just took a few minutes. Now my first shirt is available on my website for Design by Humans. So just give it a little bit of time, guys. Once you upload your first design, and you'll be all ready and good to go. I hope you enjoyed this upload, learning how to upload your first product to Design by Humans. And I love you more than I love this video. Peace.